Stop what you're doing, guys, because today we have an amazing replication dish for you guys today. Let's find out what it is. Ever heard of Carlo's Bakery or Cake Boss on TLC? We're replicating a famous item on their menu called the crumb cake. Buttery, rich, sweet, a well-balanced item. Unfortunately, we did hit some speed bumps when making the dish. So instead of it being a crumb cake, it became a shortbread cookie dough kind of cake, which, despite not being our intention, still pretty nice. So if you do want to make a crumb cake, don't do what I do in this video unless you want to make cookie cake like our friend Millie does. Let's jump into it. For the bun dough, guys, you want to mix sugar and butter in a bowl together, beat it until smooth. Then you want to add salt in the bowl together, give it a good mix together. Then you want to beat in 2 eggs gradually until it's nice and smooth and a loosened consistency has been reached. Then you want to add in a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, give it a good mix together for a little bit of a zing. In a separate bowl, add yeast with flour together. Then you want to mix the flour gradually into the wet mixture until it forms a nice dough. Then gradually add in some water, give it a good mix until it forms like a tacky kind of consistency. Flour a work surface, add your dough onto it and then begin pull the dough into itself, and then using the hand technique that I'm about to show you, just form a ball of dough and then place your dough on a flat tray, floured flat tray, and then cling film it and leave it for up to about an hour to rest. Then for your crumb mix, mix butter and brown sugar in a bowl together, then add in your dry mix and then mix together until the dough begins to form. And then what you want to do, which is the mistake which I made, which messed up my dish, is that you want to place it in the fridge for about an hour or so until it becomes dried and a crummy mixture has been reached. Then you want to bring your dough back out onto a floured surface and then you want to roll it until it's round, a bit like my face when I've had a few male chickens. I'm only joking, guys. Then what you want to do is you want to fold it in half and then you want to place it onto a rectangular sheet tray with greaseproof on it, and you want to tuck in the ends until a even surface and level has been reached. And you want to fork the base a bit like this, and then you want to add water onto the base to moisten the base and allow the crumbs to stick. And then you want to add a few big crumbs and then you want to dot around the rest of the base with the rest of the crumbs, the smaller crumbs to cover the entire base. And then what I did is, which is optional, is that you can add pecans as well for an extra crunch and an extra flavour as well, which is what I decided to do, as my crumb did not crumb. Then you want to bake that in the oven for about, gas mark 4, for about 25-30 minutes. And here is the final piece, well, my final piece, where you want to allow it to cool down and then you want to cut it into even slices, heavily dust it with ice and sugar until it's lovely and it's coated well. Then you want to present it how you want. I present it in the box as the original would probably be. Flavours were nice, the balance of sugar, butteriness and the base. And as you can see here is me, a fat boy, about to try one. Go on, foodie, you know you want to eat that. Ooh, lovely. There's the inside of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.